Hey there, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm out in Carlton Commons in Casa Grande. We're going to look at a few different floor plans. This first floor plan here is called the Pelican floor plan. This Pelican floor plan has a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,881 square foot, and a 2-car garage. There's a couple spec homes out here right now. This one we're looking at here, it has a price of $359,990, so $359,990. It's the property you see right here behind me, and they're offering incentives right now for homeowners up to $10,000 in closing costs, which you can use to buy down the rate or you can use to pay your closing costs. For investors, that's going to be up to 2%, and that's a law. That's nothing they can do about that. But let's go ahead, let's go inside, take a look, and see what the Pelican plan has to offer. Notice here the homes here come with front yard landscaping. This home here has a 2-car garage, stucco and tile. Here we go, let's check it out. So a couple different things about this floor plan, and actually all their floor plans they have right now. 9-foot ceilings, so you'll see they come standard with 9-foot ceilings, 18 by 18 inch tiles, and both the bathrooms and the kitchens come with granite countertops and white cabinets. So we'll start here in the kitchen. You'll see here we have electric appliances, stainless steel appliances. Nice big island in this Pelican floor plan. Back in the corner here you'll see a good sized pantry. This here is going to be a great room, basically living room back there, and this area right here is going to be considered your dining area. So dining area, living room with a nice sliding glass door into the backyard. We'll go out there in a minute. So headed in here would be the master bedroom. Good sized master bedroom. And the master bedroom here with the master bathroom obviously right off of it. Dual sinks. Stand up walk-in shower. Some towel area, linen area. Good sized master closet. It actually wraps back around here a little bit. Back out the master. HOA fee in this community is going to be $77 a month. That HOA fee is going to cover the common areas, tot lots, basketball court. So here to the left, we're going to see the 2-car garage entrance with the utility room. Let's check out the garage. You can see the size of that. Looks like a 22 by 20, if I was to guess. So we're back here at the entryway into the house. Once you walk into the house, there's a hallway to the left which splits off. You have a bedroom, bathroom there, and a bedroom here. So here's the bedroom at the front of the house. We'll call this bedroom number 2. This looks like your standard size, maybe a 10 by 12 bedroom for guests. Go into the guest bathroom. Bedroom number 3, which looks pretty similar to bedroom number 2. So this floor plan again, 1,881 square feet. This spec home has a current price of $359,990. And this home is ready for move-in right now. So this one can be purchased right now. If you're an owner occupant, you're going to be trying to get $10,000 back in incentives. If you are an investor and you're going to buy an investor-owned property, we're going to be shooting for 2% back in incentives, to where you can either buy down that rate or you can get your closing costs paid. So here in the backyard, decent sized backyard. The lots on the north end here come standard with 6,300 square foot lots, whereas in the lots on the south side come standard at 7,800 square foot lots. Again, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by EXP Realty. We're standing in the Pelican plan. I'm going to go through a couple other floor plans in this community, but this floor plan here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $359,990. If you have any questions on this property, please comment down below. If you find these videos interesting and you'd like to see more of them, please subscribe and also like. It really helps me get more people looking at my videos. As I travel around through the valley looking at new construction communities, so that you, whether you're in another state or whether you're just busy with work and you can't find the time to get out and look, this way I can help you look. Also, make sure when you go in to the new construction sales offices that you take your real estate agent with you on the first trip. It's very important. If you don't, sometimes they won't let you have representation, which can really hurt you in the long run. I've gotten buyers thousands and thousands of dollars off their purchase price before. I've also had to renegotiate during the contract period. Low appraisals and all that kind of stuff can have really big factors on what the final sales price is. And without representation, sometimes that can be tough. Sometimes you don't want to be in the middle of it. It's easier to have a real estate agent doing that for you. And most of the builders are willing to work with them as long as you bring them in right away. Keep in mind that the sales office people, they do not work for you. They do not represent you. They are there to represent the seller, the builder. Okay, so they are there to look out for their best interests. They are not there to look for your best interests, which is where you contact an agent who will look for your best interests. Okay, again, any questions, comment down below, and have a good day. Okay, so I did want to finish up this video of Casa Grande with a little aerial view of the south side of Casa Grande. What you'll see here is part of the community that's under development. It is a newer community. It's on the south end, so there's not really anything to the south of there. Casa Grande is a city with approximately 56,000 people. It's located almost exactly halfway between the cities of Phoenix and Tucson. You have great interstate access going north and south with Interstate 10 that can take you either to Phoenix or Tucson, or Interstate 8, which can take you over to San Diego. There's plenty to do in this city. It is, a decent sized city, so it's got movie theaters and shopping malls and retirement communities and all kinds of things, all kind of places to go to eat. And again, you're not that far from Phoenix or Tucson.